In this video, I'm going to talk about how can you create an image using Leonardo AI. So without any further ado, let's dive right into this exciting video. Now, in order to do that, you just simply have to open your Leonardo AI application, and after that, you will directly get this option of image generation. Just simply tap to image generation, and after tapping into there, you will just simply have to select the image style from this top section, and after tapping into that, you will just simply have to write a prompt for your image. Now I just want to create some very simple image of a robot. That's why I'm just typing a robot in here. But if you want something really creative to create in Leonardo, you can customize your prompt like that. After writing down your prompt, just simply tap to the send button for 13 coins or tokens. It will be cut off from your account for a request, and after a while it will take a short amount of processing to generate the images into your Leonardo AI, and then it will create the image that you have requested. And this way you can very easily create image into your Leonardo AI. I hope this video was informative for you. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel to never miss another update. Thank you for watching this video.